of the Standard.
Yes.
Ruto accuses the opposition of using Juma's death to gain political mileage. Another very controversial thing that's happening. And of course, this during the mass that was held on Thursday, I believe it was, then the funeral as well. Major accusations being made, and of course the opposition leaders coming out to say that the police agencies are just wasting time for asking them to go and record statements.
I think this is a very sad thing. The death of Juma was very sad. But now linking it again to the deputy president without any evidence, again, is also...
Well, according to the opposition, they say that on his Twitter wall,
yes.
He had made quite a number of accusations and named people.
Yes, yeah, they could have maybe had their differences with the deputy president. But in this world, when you are trading in billions, I remember these people were together, may have been together during the YK 92. And I remember this thing of National Serious Board, 500 million. So people who live in, who deal in big money, they also have big enemies.
That's true.
And okay, if you think your enemy is the deputy president, there could also be another person. So anybody could have come in. And just to take such a name and then say it is so and so, without evidence, is very sad.
It's very sad.
And it's very damaging to the deputy president and to the family, especially if he's innocent.
Yeah, and the irony about politics is that sometimes some of the accusations that are made without regard to the fact that these people also have families and, you know, people who look up to them. So they're left wondering. And of course, but I guess it's one of those things that once you get into politics and high-level business, in some cases, then you expect it to happen.
Yeah, it is. It is. I think that is why, at high level, you can't be suing people left, right, and center. There are questions that are fought politically. You don't find them in court. Now, like this one, linking Ruto to it, is a question which will be fought politically, and maybe they will push for the police to look for the killers, arrest people, and charge. And maybe when the truth comes out, they'll be able to say, now you see,
this is what it was.
Yes.
All right.